Best crypto to buy today: Jan 1, Filecoin, Bitcoin SV, the Sandbox. Last updated January 1, 2024, 4:20 EST. 11 Min redisclosure. Crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. The FIL price and interest in Filecoin's utility-driven narrative position. It is one of the best cryptos to buy today, with its value reaching $8 for the first time in almost a year, along with a notable 24-hour trading volume. In tandem, Bitcoin BSV has also surged, entering the new year at about $102, marking it as one of last week's top performers. The Sandbox SAN also shows promise, with recent updates suggesting a potential increase in the SAN price. Alongside these established tokens, crypto presales like Bitcoin Minetrix and TG.Casino are also capturing attention, offering new opportunities within the cryptocurrency market as potential contenders for the best crypto to buy today. Best crypto to buy today in the news. As we enter 2024, Filecoin's FIL token continues to demonstrate strong growth. The decentralized storage network's native cryptocurrency has surpassed the $8 price level for the first time since late February 2023. The cryptocurrency is notching a 10% increase so far today, signaling a robust start to the new year. Bitcoin SV has also entered the new year on a high note, with its price soaring over 108% for the past week as it attempts to maintain levels above the $100 psychological level. The surge is supported by positive indicators such as a bullish relative strength index and a moving average convergence divergence, alongside a trading volume spike of over 41%. Although facing resistance near the $119 mark, the currency's performance reflects a broader pattern of mixed movements in the crypto market, with Bitcoin SV standing out as one of the top crypto gainers. We're kicking off 2024 with a new Game Maker Fund GMF model and a dedicated engagement pool. See full article here: https://t.co/s4qmrpxoc, or read on pic twitter.com/3zonamvux. The Sandbox at the Sandbox game December 23, 2023. Meanwhile, the Sandbox's recent update has set the stage for a potential increase in SAN price, with a short-term forecasted climb to around 70 cents. Since the announcement of a significant allocation for creators on December 22, SAN has experienced a near 10% rise in price from 54 cents to around 60 cents as of writing. For those seeking new opportunities beyond established cryptocurrencies, presales such as Bitcoin Minetrix and TG.Casino are presenting themselves as intriguing options to consider. While still in the early stages, these projects are gaining recognition for their potential in a market that continually seeks cutting-edge blockchain solutions. Filecoin. FIL gains momentum, bulls charging towards resistance. Even with the overall cryptocurrency market stuck in sideways trading for the past few weeks, Filecoin FIL keeps trending firmly upward, logging substantial increases. With the FIL price surging over 10% in the last 24 hours alone, bullish momentum appears to be accelerating as FIL tests key resistance levels. Technical indicators reflect a strengthening bullish sentiment that could see the FIL price push higher in the coming days. The 20-day EMA for the FIL price currently stands at $5.842, while the 50-day EMA sits at $5.204. With the short-term EMA above the long-term EMA, this signals growing positive momentum in the FIL price. Additionally, the RSI has surged to 77.83, up markedly from yesterday's 72.86 reading. Despite entering overbought territory, FIL may have some room left to continue rallying before becoming extremely overstretched. The MACD histogram has also trended higher to 0.158 compared to yesterday's 0.091. The growing positive histogram suggests bullish sentiment is gaining traction and could fuel additional upside for FIL price. With Filecoin now testing resistance between $7.134 and $7.355, a decisive break above this area is needed to open the door for further gains. The confluence with the Fib 0.236 level at $7.261 adds to the significance of this hurdle. If FIL can close above resistance, the next upside target comes in around $7.705 to $8.25. This was validated earlier today after FIL hit a multi-month peak of $8.120. On the downside, initial support lies at the Fib 0.382 level of $6.730. As long as FIL holds above this, the path of least resistance appears to be to the upside. Overall, with bulls in control, the FIL price looks poised to break out higher, A sustained move above the immediate resistance zone could see FIL retest its 2021 highs. Traders should watch for a breakout to signal further entries. BSV price prediction. Trading volume surges amidst the rally. BSV is currently trading around $102, up nearly 7% so far today. This marks BSV's fourth consecutive day attempting to close decisively above the psychologically important $100 level. With BSV showing signs of gathering upside momentum, technical indicators paint a potentially bullish picture for the BSV price in the days ahead. The 20-day EMA for BSV stands at $69.62, well below the current price action. Additionally, the 20-day EMA is convincingly above the 50-day EMA of $58.01. When the faster-moving short-term EMA is above the slower long-term EMA, it often signals improving momentum and the potential for the uptrend to continue. The RSI currently sits at 87.8, up from 85.34 yesterday. While an RSI above 80 typically signals overbought conditions, BSV has continued pushing to new highs in this rally. This implies that despite the overbought RSI reading, BSV may have additional room to climb before exhaustion sets in. With the BSV price establishing successive higher highs and no major bearish divergences yet on the indicator, the rally could persist even as the RSI drifts deeper into overbought territory. Adding to the bullish case, 24-hour trading volume is up 397% to $445 million. Rising volume during an uptrend confirms growing enthusiasm and participation in the rally. With volume exploding higher amidst the surge past $100, it signals strong conviction behind the move to new highs. Analyzing the chart, the BSV price recently broke through resistance in the $98.85 to $102.10 zone that had capped upside progress over the last several days. With BSV appearing set to close above $100 for the first time since April 2022, bullish momentum seems to be accelerating. The MACD histogram currently stands at 5.47 after climbing from 5.33 yesterday. The growing positive histogram indicates bullish momentum is intensifying in the near term. On pullbacks, BSV has initial support around $84.89 to $87.40, with the Fib 0.236 level of $84.89 also reinforcing the zone. Below that, the 20-day EMA around $70 marks the next key support area traders will be watching. With BSV staging an impressive breakout above $100, momentum has turned decidedly bullish. The technical picture supports further gains in the coming days and weeks. However, traders should watch for potential exhaustion signals like faltering volume or bearish candlestick patterns that could precede a pullback. Still, the path of least resistance for the BSV price appears higher within this newly developing uptrend. Maintaining a close eye on the indicators and price action will be critical for traders looking to capitalize on BSV's renewed volatility. Is SAN momentum slowing? The RSI indicates possible consolidation. The Sandbox SAN is attempting to extend its recent upside momentum as the cryptocurrency trades around the 60 cents psychological level. SAN currently sits at 6,045 cents, up 1.65% on the day even after pulling back from an intraday high of 6,400 cents. With SAN trying to maintain its upward trajectory, analyzing the technical indicators can help traders gauge whether the rally has enough momentum to challenge overhead resistance. The 20-day EMA for the SAN price stands at 5,549 cents, while the 50-day EMA is at 4,953 cents. With the price action comfortably above these short and long-term moving averages, this is a bullish sign for the uptrend. SAN trading above both EMAs shows positive momentum remains. However, after attempting 3 straight green days, the RSI is elevated at 64.91. While not yet overbought above 70, the rising RSI indicates upside momentum may be slowing and a consolidation phase could occur before another push higher. The MACD histogram continues trending higher at 0.0004, up slightly from 0.0003 yesterday. The uptrending histogram signals short-term momentum remains positive for now. Traders will want to see the histogram sustain its ascent to confirm bullish control. Analyzing the chart, SAN faces resistance around 5,924 cents to 6,158 cents, the area which rejected further upside earlier today. A decisive break above 60 cents is needed to open the door for a retest of last week's swing high of 68 cents. On the downside, initial support aligns around 5,418 cents to 56 cents. This region also converges with the 20-day EMA at 5,549 cents, further strengthening it as a potential demand zone. The technical outlook remains constructive for SAN despite the intraday pullback. With SAN still above key moving averages, the path of least resistance points higher. However, a move back below 56 cents would raise caution flags. Bulls will want Sand to consolidate before renewing its surge toward formidable overhead resistance near 68 cents. Monitoring volume and momentum oscillators will be key engaging when the next decisive move unfolds. While established names like FIL, BSV, and Sand dominate the conversation, forward-thinking crypto projects like Bitcoin Minetrix and TG.Casino reflect the continuous evolution of blockchain technology. Welcoming 2024, a year to discover promising Bitcoin alternatives. As 2024 unfolds, the cryptocurrency market is witnessing a growth in interest beyond Bitcoin. Investors and enthusiasts are exploring alternative cryptocurrencies that present distinct investment opportunities. This trend is driven by the potential of getting involved early in up-and-coming cryptocurrencies where initial investment prices are often lower than their potential future valuation. Bitcoin Minetrix and TG.Casino are gaining considerable traction lately as Bitcoin alternatives worth checking. Venturing into Bitcoin mining, Bitcoin Minetrix looks to offer a fresh approach for people to enter the crypto mining space. Meanwhile, TG.Casino is stepping into online gambling with plans to utilize blockchain as a potential means to disrupt the industry. As the year progresses, keeping an eye on these Bitcoin alternatives might be a strategic move for investors, as this approach could allow them to pinpoint the best crypto to buy today when weighing future growth potential and return on investment. Bitcoin Minetrix, the best crypto to buy today for easy Bitcoin mining. Bitcoin Minetrix is introducing a cloud-based solution for Bitcoin mining designed to simplify the process and make it accessible to a wider audience. This new model, called Stake to Mine, represents a departure from traditional mining practices that typically require substantial computing power and technical expertise. Through Bitcoin Minetrix, users can mine Bitcoin using a PC or mobile device without the need for expensive hardware. Bitcoin Minetrix unveils $BTC mining opportunities. Cloud mining, perfect for crypto starters. Simple entry. Cost-effective sans hardware. No space, noise, or heat concerns. Effortless upgrades. Pick twitter.com/id64uc3 fee. Bitcoin Minetrix at Bitcoin Minetrix January 1, 2024. The platform will operate on a decentralized system, allowing users to verify mining rewards on the blockchain independently. It will also employ an energy-efficient mining algorithm, aligning with broader sustainability objectives within the cryptocurrency sector. The project has initiated a presale of its native token, $BTCMTX, which has raised over $7.1 million so far in funding. The token is available for purchase on Bitcoin Minetrix's official website and can be bought using ETH, UST, BNB, or a credit card. The presale is structured in stages featuring incremental price increases. The current price of the token is 126 cents, with an upcoming price increase scheduled in less than 5 days. Any tokens not sold during the presale will be burned before the token's listing on PancakeSwap. The enthusiastic response to the presale underscores the strong interest in this pioneering mining solution. Bitcoin Minetrix is not only making Bitcoin mining more accessible, but is also contributing to the broader trend of promoting inclusion and environmental sustainability in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. The project marks a significant development in cloud mining, enabling a more diverse group of individuals to participate in Bitcoin mining through a decentralized and user-friendly platform. TG.Casino's $TGC token comes with presale perks. Is it the best crypto to buy today? TG.Casino, a Telegram-based crypto gambling platform, is currently offering a series of high roller rewards for presale purchasers of its $TGC tokens. The incentives include a 50% bonus on stake tokens from buybacks, 10% in casino credits with a 5x wagering requirement, a weekly 5% rakeback on the house edge double for $TGC token use, seasonal rewards, and a commemorative limited edition NFT. These rewards are slated to commence with the public launch of the $TGC token. Happy New Year, TGC players. We are so hyped for 2024 because this is the year we launch, but also so much more to come. Pick twitter.com/GU9SBH, TG.Casino at TG.Casino January 1, 2024. In addition to the base tier, TG.Casino has introduced 2 higher reward tiers for significant wager amounts, the gold tier for $100,000 and the diamond tier for $250,000. These tiers offer enhanced benefits like 200% rakeback and up to 25% cashback on net losses when betting with $TGC. This structure is designed to encourage higher buy-in and engagement with the platform's betting options. TG.Casino's betting system allows the use of popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether. However, exclusive benefits are reserved for bets placed using the $TGC token, including a 25% cashback on net losses and the aforementioned 200% rakeback, which is capped at 10 ETH. These incentives are part of TG. TG.Casinos, strategy to attract users and stimulate demand for the $TGC token. The platform seeks to provide a safeguard for high-risk wagers through these rewards, thereby maintaining user engagement. TG.Casino is gaining attention in the crypto community and the broader financial media. Notable coverage includes mentions by YouTuber CryptoVO, who has suggested that TG.Casino could be a notable investment opportunity, and features in financial media outlets such as Coinpedia, Business Insider, and Finbold. As crypto casinos continue gaining traction, TG.Casino's $TGC token presale offers tempting perks like commemorative NFTs and staking bonuses that position it as one of the best crypto to buy today. With the presale pacing toward a swift sellout, interested investors may need to act quickly to acquire $TGC and capitalize on the growth potential in this fast-growing sector. Visit TG.Casino. Now disclaimer, crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter or a quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up. The site is protected by reCAPTCHA and the Google privacy policy and terms of service apply. IMG SRC equals https://simg.co/p/ml300 JPEG alt equals image class equals IMG ID equals newsletter pop-up IMG.